So Sheila,
Hi,
hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing better.
Yeah, so this is day two
Yes,
of our trade show,
yes,
and you're seeing our products for the very first time,
yes.
and you haven't even got any products yet,
No,
and yet you experience such an enormous benefit.
yes.
So share with me what you told me this morning.
Okay, because from the day one, I got my period. So every time I got my period, I feel so very lazy. I just always want in my bed, lay, and feel very tired. But from yesterday until today, I never felt like I want to lay down. I feel so energetic. But when I come back to my room, I feel the tiredness. It's so very different experience.
Wow, because yours is surrounded by such positive frequency.
Yes.
And not only that, this is little with cups on each corner
Yeah.
of this area, and which I energize the water, which the water is a conductor.
And I drank all those water.
Yeah.
That's why.
And it's on the food freshness
It's
card.
really working.
It is.
Yeah.
So this is like a quantum field. So whenever you enter into this space, you feel different. But the minute you step outside of our stand,
Yeah.
you get the EMF, the radiation, and you feel down again.
Yes.
And all this attacks your body and your mind. But here is amazing.
Yes.
So thank you very much for sharing.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you.